Thank you. Michele, from a point of view of, again, geopolitical, that complex situation, not just the trade route, if you can put some light on why Taiwan is an asset from many, an asset and critical location for people who are trying to be the leaders in the AI space globally, how Taiwan geopolitically plays a critical role, and then why US has interest in all other countries too as well.
Taiwan produces lots of the chips, so that's where those supply chains come into effect. There's also, I guess, that China, wants to take over or to own Taiwan, whereas others around the world, including Australia, are more like to see them retain their independence, because it does actually provide that sort of a bit more of a better balance around the world. And look, Australia has a very tricky position, because China is also one of our biggest, or it is our biggest trading partner. So we have this sort of bit of a tug of war around the security side versus the trade side, and that continues to play out, because the security of those shipping lanes and also the subsea cables is a really important and something that Australia needs to actually continue to basically survive, because we need those. And so that's there. And Taiwan probably is the one that provides, I guess, the chips that actually runs the compute power, all of our phones, all of those electronic devices that we use in our everyday life has a genesis, generally from Taiwan or a couple of the other countries, but they're the main supplier.